I've moved away from home, and I'm starting life for freedom on my own. There's not much going on. I'm just waiting for this virus to be gone. And I've got freedom, friends and family, and it could be worse, I must agree, but the lunch just got a little dry. And I've got time, money and energy, and I should be making memories, but I'm just stuck inside. Cause what I'll never have, yeah, what I'll never have was just being 21. And I know it's over soon. With a vaccine out, we'll all be immune. They say keep on pushing through. Well, that's fine, but now I'm 22. And all these missed opportunities, the people, places, good times that I never got to see. And I could have looked my future wife in the eye with a face behind a fucking mask, and I wouldn't even know it. Cause what I don't have, yeah, what I'll never have was just being 21.